Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Aisha Shish. Karibuni sana. Welcome back to another episode of Aisha Shish. So guys, thank you so much for joining in. If you're new here, karibu sana. If you're a new subscriber, karibu tena sana. And also if you're a returnee, karibu tena. And thank you for always sticking by. So guys, I know I have been away for like 1 week. Yeah, I know. I haven't been posting, but guys, I'm back. I had given myself a little break and now I'm back and hoping I'm back with good and enjoyable content. So guys, hope you're going to sit down, relax and enjoy. So guys, thank you so much for taking your time to come and watch this video. I really appreciate so much. So guys, here it's on a Friday and I'm cooking fries. Yeah, and so I'm cooking fries because my baby was so into fries, like he was so craving for fries. So ilibidi nipike na kwanza nikapika tudogo. Yeah, so here I'm cooking them. Then I get to cook a small stew. Yeah, and he will get to eat the fries and the stew because my baby loves eating chips so much. He loves eating chips so much. Yeah, so guys, sit down and relax and enjoy. Anyway, guys, I love you so much for always supporting me, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It means a lot in me. It means a lot. Thank you. So guys, watch till the end and get to enjoy, guys, and be motivated. So guys, the food is ready and here it is. So for me, I'm eating ugali and that beef stew and a little bit of fries. Yeah, I remember there was leftover of this ugali, so I couldn't want to waste it, so that's why I'm eating it. So guys, yeah. So guys, this is the next day on Saturday. Yeah, and don't mind about the carpet. Daddy, what's wrong? I removed the carpet because I want to wash it. Twende huko. Acha nionyeshe watu huku nini. Venye nyumba inakaa chafu alafu tuoshe. So guys, this is how my kitchen is looking. The dishes are all there. I'm going to wash them. I'm cooking tea here. Yeah, and these are the chipo zilibaki. Na a stew that I'm going to either cook some rice for it. Yeah, and I'm cooking tea here. So guys, you'll excuse me guys because I'm going to wash these dishes off camera. Yeah, because I don't have time. So I'm going to wash them, then I'll get back to you guys. So let me do this, guys. Yeah, because I have so much to do. Yeah, so guys, hope you're going to enjoy the video. So guys, don't mind my background. I'm recording while my baby is here. So here, before I did my dishes, I wanted to feed my baby with porridge first. Yeah, so I was giving my baby porridge, then after finishing giving him porridge, I'll then go to my duties and wash the dishes and do the house chores. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, I've already washed the dishes, and I now want to wash the house. Yeah, so here I've made some mix of pancake, so I'll have to like postpone to my breakfast. Sitakula breakfast, I'll eat it like lunch. Yeah, so that I can be able to finish everything. Yeah, so I've already dusted the couch. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm just going to go ahead and wash the floor down. Yeah, and hope you're going to join me now as I wash. Yeah, I'm going to share with you as I do everything, but not everything because time is not on my side. Yeah, so it's almost 12:30. Yeah, and I have to finish and cook lunch as fast as I can. So join me, guys. Yeah, and everything is done. Now I just want to cook lunch. We get to eat. Yeah, and then we know the way forward. Yeah, Tijan. Yeah, so this is how the house is looking. It's so nice. It's so neat. Yeah, and I'm happy about it. Even the floor, you can see they're clean. Yeah, and I'm done. Now I want to go ahead and cook. Yeah, so I'm going to cook. Shikeni mkule utu tuchipo. Tijan. Tijan. Kuleni hizo chipo. So guys, I want to cook this nini. This, what do we call it? I've even forgot about it. Pancakes. I want to cook some pancakes so that I can eat with this stew. And Tijan will eat this mchele I had already cooked while cleaning the house. Yeah. So mchele. Simkule hiyo chipo kwanza. Na umemaliza yogurt? Ngweke mchele. Wachana na hiyo usimwage Tijan. Wacha tupike pancake. Do you know pancake? Nikuweke mchele? Haya, basi enda ukae pale nikuweke mchele. So guys, I'm going ahead and I want to cook my pancakes now, and this is how I cook them. I'm not cooking fluffy pancakes. Yeah, I'm just cooking the local ones. Should I say the local ones or the what? The kawaida ones. Yeah. So in this mix of this pancake, I've added salt. Not salt. Yeah, I've added some salt, some sugar, and also an egg, and also essence so that the ndio nisisikie hiyo taste ya mayai. Me, I don't like that taste, like not taste but that smell of mayai. I don't like it at all, so that's why nimeweka ka essence kadogo. Yeah, so that I'm going to turn it like that. Wow, it's smelling so sweet. After turning, I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Yeah, so guys, I'll not show you the whole process as I cook, because I'm struggling in holding my phone and also cooking. But very soon, God is going to bless me with something. God is going to bless me with a tripod. Yeah, and I can't wait. Oh my, I really can't wait, because I've been struggling so much holding my phone while cooking and everything and all stuff like that. That's why I haven't been uploading most of cooking and stuff like that, because of holding the phone. So yeah, so that's how I cook my pancakes, and I love them the way they turn out. Anyway, hope guys you're enjoying the hebu mkule mmalize. Tijan, kaa chini vizuri usishindwe na Njeri. Njeri utamshinda? Haya, Njeri mshinde. So guys, this is the outcome, and this is how they turned out. Yeah, they're so sweet. Yeah, I just love them. Yeah, I've already tasted, and I can't wait to dig in. They're so sweet. They are really sweet. So guys, we are done. I'm done eating, and yeah, it's late. Tulikula, tukalala, tukaamka, Tijana akakunywa uji and everything and all stuff like that, tukakaa. Yeah, so we are heading out. Yeah, and we are heading, like, cause it's Saturday, we are heading to get shaved. Nywele yangu inakaa vibaya, but sioni kama nitanyoa. Okay, nikifika hapo nitajua kama nitanyoa, but sana napeleka Tija na kanyolewe cause ya kesho church. So guys, hope you're enjoying the video. Yeah, hope you're enjoying the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it. Give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, if you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. And also if you're returning back, karibu tena sana. Thank you for always sticking by. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. Thank you so much. I really appreciate so much for your support, guys. So guys, let's go. Let me go see if Tijan is going to be shaped. Yeah, and we are good to go. Yeah,